In terms of residential, the driver is demography, and the driver is good. The issue, this is, at the moment, residential is more a political issue in France than an economic issue. The economic issue is quite easy. You have demography which is growing, and you have a supply which is not growing enough. So you have a value which are high, but which are pushing to be a little bit higher if possible. And this is what the government don't want. And so it's quite complex situation today, not because of trends, not because of the economy of this market, because of the complications that the government take into these topics since 2-3 years around. And the worst is that the government wanted to do for the best, meaning that they wanted to improve the supply. But it is exactly all what they have done has exactly done the effect, the contrary. So we are in a situation where we are far to have a balanced market in terms of residential in France. Nevertheless, prices are high, but you have always people who have the money to pay this price. And so that's balance of the market. And it's not necessarily what our government like.
Okay. Did you want to comment on that?
Maybe yes, because you're totally right. It's for example, take Germany. In Germany, you always have a lack of residential in the cities, and it's a very intelligent play to find solutions where you can transform offices in, let's say, obsolete areas, which are obsolete office areas, but very well for residential, with residential properties around. And it's much easier to get the transformation into the new use in Germany as it is in France, which is not only a governmental issue, but it's a mayor's issue, because of the income that they will lose on the taxes, on the office tax, on which drives that, I think. And it is a great opportunity if you find an office building which you can transform in a good location into residential. It's a very good play, but it's very difficult to get the authorizations.